Hello, friends. This is the method I use. Hello, focus. Sorry, friends. To get a long dress that's a little bit too narrow, or a lot too narrow, into a wider dress that's much shorter, but it is a wider dress. This dress here is a dress I did it on. These parts here are what I used to do it with. And when I put them together, as I'll show you to do soon, it will make a gusset or a godet here that more than doubles the width of the dress. This pocket here, or anything else that goes over the side seam, needs to be removed. So what I do is I cut as high as up as I want to go, all the way down the side of the dress, including the part here that's imaginary right now because I've already cut it off. It was there like this, all the way out to here, and then it attached up here like this. I cut at an angle. First I cut parallel to the ground here like this. So on the paper mock-up, that would be this cut here. And then I cut the dress apart at the side seams here. And I cut it apart here. Here is the side seam. And this one over here, that will be the side seam too. And with the paper mock-up, I will attempt to show you in just a moment. First, I'm going to pause this. Hello, friends. So pretend this is a dress, of course. And I've made that one cut right here. Then I'll make the next cut. Make it with enough seam allowance here and down here so you can put two seams on each narrow place, one on the top and one on the bottom. And what is also very important is the front and the back, these pieces will mirror each other. This actually, this is the hem. This was the hem. And this was the hem. This was the front and the back. And this middle piece here, this is the higher up part that's parallel to the ground. And this is the other half of this angle piece. This is the front, and this is the back. And you put them together, either like this, so they have a long point here, or like this, so they have a short point here. And you can line this up with this bottom of the side seam, or you can put the side seam here, or if you're going to do it with the long point in the middle, you can do the same thing. you can either line this. This actually is a lot easier to pick a place to line it up. I would line that outer corner right there and there with the two halves of the side seam. If you wish to leave these points long or dagged, you can do that. If you want to cut it off flat, you can do that. Or if you want to cut it off at a slight curve, which is much harder to show, like that, you can do that too. That's up to you. And then you take the dress and you sew it like that. You see how, if this will cooperate and come up. Like that. That together like that. And this together. But not cooperating as well, clearly. You find you have to fiddle with it, whether it's paper or cloth. Sometimes, even if you've done it many times, you'll find you have to fiddle with it. But you get the idea, I hope. Front, side to seam, back. And there you are. I hope your day is pleasant. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.